Everybody who's in maintenance or even that works in the manufacturing plant, you've got certain noises, you've got certain sounds that you're used to hearing. And when you walk out into the plant and you hear something that just doesn't sound right, you're going to be able to nail it down as to what piece of equipment that is. You'll be able to find out with the 805 if it is good or bad. It tells you this is the vibration. It'll give you a readout if you want velocity, acceleration, but it'll also give you your severity scale. And it's going to tell you it's good, needs attention. That way you can schedule your downtime so you're not having any unscheduled downtime.
Yeah, so we have a motor onto a gearbox, all chain driven. It's actually powering two twin screw augers. We have a couple of times we've had problems with the gearbox, so it'd be nice to test it. Yeah, so we just changed the bearings on that. It says good. Temperature is negative 14.4 degrees Celsius. It's about 20 degrees in here right now. See if we can get anything on the gearbox. So that's the hard startup that we just heard that we've been worried about. And so you can see now that I've actually set it up, it says it's satisfactory. My motor's good. I just have to actually start working on my gearbox. So it gives me a spot to start with.
Our boss just handed me a project to check the motor end bearings on our condenser fan on the roof, and there's a little hatch you have to crawl in. The fan's like 8 feet in diameter, and it's a little scary to get in there, and it'd be easy just to get in there with this and do a spot check. That was the first thing that came to mind when I saw this.
Overall vibration's good. No.
All the vibration pins I've ever really used gives you velocity, gives you acceleration values. If you don't have a running trend analysis of that piece of equipment, you don't know what those values should be or what they shouldn't be, if they've gotten worse, if they've gotten better. You can't program machines into it. The 805 gives you so many different options.
It says good right on there. It has the temperature reading right on there. I honestly have never used one before, and it was pretty easy to use right off the bat.
Hit measure, apply the right amount of pressure and get a green light. It says it's measuring, comes back as overall vibration is good. You can't get much easier than that.